Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Holly. Today I'm going to be planning in my B6 inserts using this kit from Little Miss Paperie. These inserts are from Jesenia's Printables. I'm using the dated version now. And this kit, I had like the full vertical kit. This was a mystery box from... Right? Was it a mystery box? Yeah, it was a mystery box from Little Miss Paperie. I don't know where the extra is. Oh, maybe there's just an extra clip. That's right. So anyway, I've already got the inserts popped out, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with the quote box in the top left corner, just so I didn't forget about it. And then I'm trying to decide which Simply Gilded washi I want to use. I had so many that I thought would look really nice with this spread and had silver foil in them. I went with that Skinny Bows one up there, but you'll see I bring in a few kind of throughout this spread. And then I'm going to take a habit tracker, and then I'm going to do a weekly ombre. And the thing with the weekly ombre is a recurring theme throughout this spread. This kit is by Little Miss Paperie is gorgeous, but some of the colors are very light, so they're not going to show up well on camera. And I apologize, but there's not much I can do. So anyway, next I am taking the Simply Gilded light blue and silver polka dotted washi and stretching that across the bottom of the inserts. The Jesenia's Printables inserts, actually the skinny washis from Simply Gilded fit there perfectly, and I think that's like such a pretty alternative to like bottom washi. So I took that all the way across the spread. I'm actually going to go back and extend it into the sidebar too in a second, but I didn't put it there at first because I was thinking that I wanted to put something else. Anyway, and then I'm doing the date covers. I did use the numbers that came with the kit because they matched really well as opposed to using like foiled numbers. I do love the fonts in Jesenia's inserts, so I always hate using date covers, but this one had 2 sets of date covers, so I was like, I have to use at least one. And next I am, what am I going to do? Oh, I'm going to go back and fix that washi. So I'm lifting up that other bigger bow one because everything wouldn't fit. So I'm going to take the light blue washi there and stretch that out. And then I'm going to forget to fill in the rest of the sidebar until like way later. So I'll come back to that. Then next up, I am going to go through with some to-do checklists across the bottom of the spread. So I've actually mentioned in recent B6 Plan With Me's that I didn't think I was going to be doing to-do checklists in these inserts, but kind of recently, as of like this week in my Erin Condren, I basically hit a revelation that I want to be using my Erin Condren more as like a plan as I go style planner. So I'm going to still pre-plan in it, but I'm definitely going to be also adding some memory planning. And I've just, when I do memory planning and like have a type of spread that I want to keep forever, I don't want to do as many checklists. So I'm going to be putting my daily to-do checklists in these inserts from now on. I think that's going to be really functional. I'm filming this or recording this voiceover like on Tuesday night, so I've only been using it for 2 weeks, but it's already been working really well for me to have like the B6 be the one I kind of like, yeah, just like refer to for all functional stuff, because I have other like inserts in there that have all my to-do lists and things like that, so it really works well. Anyway, I am also putting these gorgeous headers from Rose Colored Days across the top. They are the shattered holographic foil, so stunning. I also put the full boxes on the prior page, as you probably saw. And here I am using to-do lists on the weekend. Like I said, since I don't have to-do lists in my Erin Condren, and I love checking stuff off on the weekends, I just really like to like get a lot done and have stuff to check off. So I used a longer list for the weekend. And that's one thing I really liked about these inserts, is that you can almost plan the weekend differently without it looking weird. Like I feel like if you did that in an Erin Condren, had like 2 longer lists on the weekends, it might look a little funny or unbalanced. But here it's like, since it's a different page, nobody even knows. And then on to my actual plans for the week. So on Monday, I had a meeting first thing, so I marked that down with a little thing from the kit that had a clock on it. And then I wanted to go for a run outside, so I am taking a quarter box as well as a little running guy from Simply Watercolor Co. that has silver foil on it. And that actually didn't happen. It got moved to Wednesday, but oh well. These inserts are going to be wrong sometimes, and I'm trying to get over that. And then I took a laptop from the Little Miss Paperie sampler. I love that to kind of mark out editing. And I'm going to layer on top of that a Paper Princess Plans girl, because I don't know, is it weird to have a girl on a laptop on top of a laptop? But I just wanted to fill in that space a little bit and mark down working on YouTube. And then finally, for my upload that day, I used a planner-esque camera. And then on to Tuesday, I took took a Chic Streak Boutique, that's so hard to say, little foiled post-it at the top to mark down a work reminder. And then I'm taking a half box with another Paper Princess girl to mark down my Elevate workout for the night. And I'm moving that with Undo, which is like the magic stuff. You can get it on Amazon. It allows you to lift up your stickers and re-stick them. And then afterwards, we went out to grab dinner. So I used a little meal icon, and then I put the TV there to mark down the State of the Union, no further comment. And then on to Wednesday, I put the little planner-esque icon at the bottom, but I'm going to come back to that. And then I took a Paper Princess little coffee girl. This is so cute. I think it's from like her winter kit. I used a lot of those characters this week. I'm trying to keep kind of consistent with a given character in a spread. I just think it looks more cohesive if I can do that. And her colors match really well with this kit. So then for work that day, I have 3 of my like meetings. They're all check-ins with the people I manage. So I used a little 3-heart checklist from the kit to kind of mark out those 3 meetings. And then I took a little laptop like next to it because I thought that looked cute. Then I have a quarter box with a clock on it to mark down an after work event that I want to attend that's like for the Women's Network. And then finally I moved the upload down to the like full box section just because I kind of ran out of space, and I layered that over a little thing. On to Thursday, I plan to lift at the gym, so I took a Rose Colored Days little dumbbell and put that on top of a quarter box. And then what was my Thursday clock for? Oh, I had another meeting that afternoon, so I layered a little clock icon over a flag. And then here at the bottom, I'm marking down that it's trash day, and I have a bill due. And then the daily chore sticker, I thought that was really cute to remind me to do our dog's pills, her monthly pills. So I really liked the way that looked, because I feel like that draws a lot of attention to it, and I definitely need that. And then I am going to go back up into the day, and I wanted to add something down to remind me that I wanted to do meal prep that night, just kind of like make a couple of things to get me through the rest of the week. And then I also wanted to mark down doing my nails. So I'm taking a sticker from the Scribble Prints co-sheet that came with a mystery kit. And then on to Friday. On Friday, I always like to mark down that we do team lunch, just as like a reminder that I don't need to bring anything that day. At work, they buy us lunch every Friday and we eat as a team, which is really nice. And then that night, I definitely want to do a little bit of yoga. So I took a quarter box with a kettlebell from the kit layered over it. I don't know if I'll go to a studio or not, but just want to have that there. And then I want to definitely have a me time sort of night, because Saturday's a busy day. So I took the me time sticker from the kit. I love those. I was so bummed this week for whatever reason, like all the things that are in like super cute script icons from the Little Miss Paperie kits, like date night, family time, blah, blah, blah. Like none of those applied this week, payday. Like, and I was like, I want to use them. But then the other thing I marked down there was that it was my father-in-law's birthday. So I used the balloons from the kit. And then I also back on Monday, I'm kind of spreading things out a bit and moving the upload down into the full boxes. So it kind of mirrors the other days. Then on to the weekend. I obviously am working with a little bit less space, so I'm going to have to go into the full boxes, as you'll see. On Saturday, we're going to go to Elevate first thing, so I took another little workout girl from Paper Princess Plans. Then we want to get groceries, so I took the grocery cart. I want to plan, so I put that. And then it is a friend's housewarming party that night, so I took the little Celebration Princess from Kiara and marked that down. And then I realized I had to move that up because I needed to also put in that I had a bill due. So I'm going to add that. As you can see, I love that little Celebration Princess. She's really cute. Then on to Sunday. Sunday, I knew I wanted to do some meal prep. So I'm taking this one. This is from like her kind of winter activities or Christmas sheet, but she looks like she's baking. So I thought that was pretty cute for meal prep. And then here I'm lifting this full box up because I realized I was going to have to go down into the full box space to like to fit everything. So I didn't want to cover up such a cute full box, and you'll see what I do with that in a second. And then for laundry day, I was able to use one of those cute scripts from the kit, so I put that next to a paper princess little laundry girl. So cute. And then I'm taking a foiled movie marquee from Rose Colored Days that is on her sampler to mark out the Super Bowl. And then I also put my upload in with another planner-esque camera. And then you can see there I put that full box there for some deco. Sometimes I put like the bottom washi from the kit, but since I already had the blue washi, I thought that would be really cute deco. I never need that long of a list for work because I have individual lists each day. So this is a very high level list. Like, so it'll be like, write this memo, when really writing the memo might take me like a day and a half, and I'll have individual steps on each, like on my like work inserts, but I don't need to list all of that here, if that makes sense. And then I also added some Simply Gilded washi flags, just to kind of, I don't know, mark out those sections. I thought that looked cute. And here I'm adding another weekly ombre in the kit because I wanted to track my Instagram posts. The other one will be used for dinners. And I'm adding in some washi just to kind of fill in some space, and just like flags and icons and deco from the kit. That deco, that princess, is so pretty. So just kind of adding in little bits and bobs. I always want to like add more here, but I try to add, like, be fairly restrained. So I'm just adding in some icons. I'm going to stick in the little envelope because it was too cute not to. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I might be switching to make this like my main plan with me of the week. I don't know. We'll see what I'm going to do with my Erin Condren, but this has definitely been really functional for me lately. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to see more planner videos, and definitely give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another one. Bye!